Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm here with another video in my how to start a stationery business series, and today we'll be unboxing our Zazzle desk planner. You guys saw me in a few videos back actually design it and upload it to Zazzle. It is here so we can unbox it. It came in this large white poly mailer. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. The desk notepad came in this white poly mailer. It has do not bend on the back. It says photos enclosed, even though it's not a photo, but I do respect that they probably use this for art prints as well. I ordered this desk notepad on June 9th. It shipped on June 11th and it arrived to me at my home on June 17th. As you can see, it's pretty thick. I believe it's 40 pages. So it's 8.5 by 11 and it's 40 pages. The slip sheet that comes on the front of these, let's get a closer view. There we go. Slip sheet. I'm gonna move that up. So 8.5 by 11. It just shows, just like the sticky notes from Zazzle, what I got. It says 8.5 by 11, notepad, 40 pages, who it is that ordered it, and then I'm just gonna tear that right off so we can go right into this. There we go. I tear that off, and here's the notepad. Gonna let that zoom. And the purple looks really good. Of course, the glue is on this side, so when I get it to tear a page off, it'll come off on the side versus the top. Let's go ahead and do a test. I'm not gonna put the date on here because I'll be recording these videos way in advance. To-do list, record, video, notes, you rock. Let's see, eat breakfast in the morning. Okay, work out, dinner date. I just wanted to fill each of these in so you guys can see what that looks like. And you cannot see anything on the back and no bleed. You would just tear it right off. I'll have those in my shop as well. This paper is really thick too, really good quality, love that. But this purple is so cute. I can't wait to use this daily. I already have the daily planner journal, but I love that I can just easily go through these and use it as well. Everything I've gotten so far is really good quality. The desk notepad came out to $10.52, right up in there with the sticky notes, but I got 2 orders of sticky notes and only 1 of the desk pad. Pretty good quality for a pretty good price. Like I said, Zazzle always has discounts. Anytime you shop with them, you can at least get 20% off depending on when you shop. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Zazzle desk notepad, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.